What's up, people? Thanks, FAFSA. Thank you, taxpayers of California. Actually, you know what? I use my credit card.
The thing about Journey to Pikes Peak is it's like a TV show where I have featured guests, and thou art one of them.
Featured guest.
You know what's gonna happen, right?
What's gonna happen?
You might want to keep recording then.
Wait,
What?
what's gonna happen?
Stop.
I was gonna ask you if we should do the front first because the car is on ramps, and that's why I.
It's not on ramps anymore, so you're good.
Holy, bro!
I could have caught it. It's fine.
Holy fuck! Can you hold this for a second?
That's why I was like, why are you bothered with the ramps? I gave you a heart attack there.
Let me show you. So then, you know, for future Ren walking adventures, and automotive vlog adventures.
I'm gonna let you do it now. I'm looking at it and I'm like, the tire's already hanging off by one thread, so it's safer to just let it go. Oh man, bro, your JDM is...
The spoon stop?
Yeah. I mean, what's the point if you can't see the brake fluid? I'm gonna fast forward this part, I think.
Except you're gonna slow it down on that part. I knew it was gonna happen, I just wanted to see it happen too. You're like, you know what's gonna happen right now, right? I'm like... Oh. Safety first, unless you're Russian. Then you drink vodka before you do any work.
Speaking of, I gotta go get some beer.
Oh my God.
I remember the days of when I was careful lowering my car onto jack stands. God, I love it. I'm just making you do all the work.
I don't mind, dude. Honda. Please. Honda. Please. It's 2018. Please. Fix these standard. Put one of these sway bar standard. Okay?
Oh, yours didn't have it?
No.
Why'd you put a sway bar in the rear? It's a live axle.
It still helps.
Is it?
When I rotation.
Oh.
It's cute. I know everything for this car is cute. You're like Evo was like 28, 29,
32. That's what I had on mine, yeah.
Yeah. For this thing, 19,
I think my factories were 19.
19, that's all you get.
That's all you need, really. It's a light car.
Yeah. Honda, please. Make these wider too, okay?
We can't. Oh! Guess what I have?
An angle grinder.
No, a fender roller. A proper fender roller. While it's here, let me teach you how to fender roll. I mean, we can shave it if you want, but it's ultimately you can just fold it. That's what a fender roller's for.
Stay away, Satan. Cut the camera. Ta-da. Thank you, Feal. Thank you, Odie.
How does it come with inlinks? That's awesome.
Yeah.
What?
I don't know if they're the same height.
They're the same.
It's a little bit shorter.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Well, I know
This comes off. This comes off.
there's ABS.
That's a massive sway bar.
ABS wire.
And the rest is easy. Just boom, 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 and pop. This is exactly like an Evo. That. Definitely not eccentric if it spins like that.
No?
No.
Cool. I learned something today. There we go. Well, let's not let this one introduce itself to the cart.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, buddy. Pretty. Swift springs.
Nope. It's just welded.
So you had a pretty solid setup for like entry. Took like entry level stuff and made it like a lot better, huh?
Well, yeah.
You get it valved for.
Because the thing was, it was either getting coilovers or just revalve the shit that I have.
Uh huh.
Which I'd rather not do.
Yeah.
Tell you what, Evos didn't have
A clip.
a clip that's this nice. You normally just have to break it.
19. Here you go, sir.
Thank you, sir. I haven't done anything curbside in so long. It kind of feels like I'm back at home.
Trip down memory lane, right?
Dude, yeah. Like I used to work on my car in the alley. I mean, I don't...
FYI, for those who don't know, this gentleman right here left his Evo on jack stands for how long?
Like a month and a half, 2 months.
With no wheels and Brembo calipers somehow were not stolen. No, somebody opened them and said it only shot like 2 inches forward, so it might be a lot less dramatic than
There you go.
the buddy. That's the bearing. That's the bearing.
Where did I get this from just now?
Don't ask questions you don't want answers to. The man above just...
Oh!
It was on there?
Yeah!
Okay.
Just this part is what it needs.
Just that part?
Okay. That
And
makes
then...
sense. I was like, why does it need all this?
No, it doesn't. Bearing?
Yeah, see, and then top
nut.
Yeah, but look how this one is. First you put a bearing on and then a nut. This one just puts this on top before the nut. That was my original issue with it. So one of the nuts needs to go on first. We need the top nut, the thin 12 by 125, which is this. This makes more sense. And then genuine rubber insulator, which is this. And then genuine upper plate. See? Wouldn't it fit through this anyway? Yeah, with the nut on there.
So it's gonna go on there anyway. Do you see?
No, but you want to put it on before that because you have to tighten this first. See what I mean? There you go. Now it's tight. Now you put this on. Capiche? I like this better. This is garbage.
Your hand's bleeding.
Where? Oh, it's fine. Understood. Unless you care about me bleeding on your parts.
Kinda don't want Ebola on my coilover.
Oh, you. So I went ahead and put this coilover in, and now Kevin has to deal with raising it another like 4 inches, whereas I did it on mine easily because it was off the car. So I'm just gonna make Kevin do some.
About that Stance Nation life here. The only thing that we like being low is our tread wear.
Yeah, there you go. It's time to put the other side on.
Bank accounts apparently.
Oh, there it is. Was that the one you were giving me?
Yes.
My bad.
This is why this process
It takes longer than it should.
ay.
I was like, why is this not working like it did last time?
Those pretty rotors. That's tight. And that's tight.
That's tight.
Necesito tools para. Ay.
Where's my 17?
Do you see why I like a clean workstation, Suren?
Hey man, I didn't leave these here.
Suren, you see why I like a clean workstation?
Oh, but wait, that's a different shock. So that's probably 5. Try 5.
Lol. That's why we're like sitting there.
Right here. Wait, where'd it go? You know, I'm gonna have a compilation of every time we go. Where's the X? Where's Y? I'm gonna get some beer. I'm gonna get you beer. Because beer is important for these kinds of jobs. They expedite the process. Hello. 2 drunks working on their cars. Oh man, we're only down to like 3 Pacific. Actually, no, there's 4. Just kidding. We're good.
Thanks, sir.
Hold on.
Cheers.
Yeah. Hold this.
No, you check.
No, I know. Hold this so I can check. What do you want me to do? Grow another set of hands out of my ass?
Yeah, please.
5, 4, 9, 10, 5,
11,
9, 4,
12,
3, 1, 5, 5, 15, 12, 11, 14, 5, 10.
Where's that? Okay. Wait, so why did we put this on? Not yet.
I guess. But you don't believe.
How'd you get it on?
Well, good luck.
God, he thinks he's so smart.
Kevin's learning how to do preload.
Yeah.
Just fitting my wheels on the fit. Looks good. Looks as we expected it. I had the bright idea of possibly test fitting the fit wheels on my Miata.
Nowhere near as promising.
What do we all think? Kevin doesn't like it.
Suren likes it.
I don't know how I feel about it, but I kind of dig it.
Suren's crazy.
This is gonna be ridiculous. So, in case you can't tell, the rear is quite a bit lower than the front. From the looks of it. I hope it looks good, but
sell it and buy a Porsche?
No, I'd avoid that. I'd stick with the Fit.
Why?
They're a lot easier to work on. Oh my God. Watching you gives me anxiety, Kevin. Let's see what the front looks like. Some tell me you're gonna have safari car suspension. Make sure the jack doesn't get stuck underneath. Well, try without it. Let's see what it does. Yeah, see, it's fine. Oh my God, it's higher than it was stock, bro. So let's lower the front. Measure how much we need to get rid of. And something's telling me it's a good 4 inches.
I feel like turn it by hand.
I think he's liking it.